Games crashing on Windows 11? Don't worry, let's fix it quick. Step 1. Update your GPU drivers. Go to NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Adrenalin, install the latest update, and restart your PC. Most crashes come from outdated graphics drivers. Step 2. Check Windows Updates. Go to Settings and then Windows Update and make sure you're fully patched, especially after major updates. Step 3. Verify the game files. On Steam, right-click your game properties, installed files, and then verify integrity of game files. On Xbox or Epic, there is a similar repair option. Step 4. Lower in-game settings. If you're running Ultra and your system can't keep up, set it to high or medium. It reduces GPU overload and random crashes. Step 5. Disable overlay like Discord, Xbox Game Bar, or GeForce Experience. These can cause conflicts. And last, if nothing works, reinstall DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables. That often fixes hidden compatibility issues. Follow these steps and your game should run smooth again. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.